Hello everyone, Dr. Watson here for the Wiki Channel. I'm excited to talk today about the fascinating world of robotics. Robotics has been a rapidly growing field that is changing the way we live and work. From industrial robots on the factory floor to robots in our homes helping with daily tasks, robotics has the potential to revolutionize the way we do things. Today I'm going to take you on a brief journey into the world of robotics, discussing its history, key concepts, and some of the most exciting applications and advancements that we're seeing today. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the world of robotics together. In terms of the history of robotics, the idea of creating machines that could perform tasks previously only done by humans has been around for centuries. The ancient Greeks, for example, had myths about robots and automatons. The Greeks were fascinated by the idea of creating lifelike machines, and had myths about robots and automatons. One such story was about Hephaestus, the god of fire and metalworking, who created automatons to help him in his forge. Another was about Talos, a giant bronze automaton who protected the island of Crete. These myths show that the concept of robotics has been around for centuries, and it's amazing to see how far we've come since then. In the 1950s and 60s, advances in computer science and engineering laid the groundwork for the development of practical robots. These early robots were simple and often limited to manufacturing tasks. But as technology advanced, robots became more sophisticated, and by the late 20th century, robots were being used in a wide range of industries, from automotive production to space exploration. Today, robotics is one of the most rapidly growing fields of technology, and robots are being used in an ever-increasing number of applications, from manufacturing and logistics to healthcare and education. Let's cover some key concepts in this field. First, there's the idea of a robot's actuation. Actuation refers to how a robot moves and performs tasks. This can be through mechanical means, such as motors and gears, or through more advanced technologies like hydraulic systems, or even artificial muscles. Next, there's sensing. Robots need to be able to sense their environment in order to perform tasks effectively. This can be done through various means, such as cameras, sonar, or even touch sensors. Another important concept is control. Robots need a way to receive input, process it, and then take action based on that input. This can be done through programming, through artificial intelligence, or through a combination of both. And finally, there's the issue of autonomy. Autonomy refers to a robot's ability to perform tasks on its own without the need for human intervention. This is an area of active research and development as we look to create robots that are capable of functioning independently and making decisions on their own. Moving on to the present day, we are seeing robotics technology being applied in a number of exciting ways. From healthcare to manufacturing, robots are helping to improve efficiency and accuracy in a variety of industries. In healthcare, robots are being used to perform surgeries and assist in rehabilitation, while in manufacturing they are helping to streamline production processes. When it comes to the future of robotics, the possibilities are truly endless. Some experts predict that robots will play an even larger role in our daily lives, performing tasks like cooking, cleaning, and driving. Others believe that robots will continue to evolve and become more intelligent, potentially surpassing human intelligence. But before we get too far ahead of ourselves, let's remember the wisdom of science fiction author Isaac Asimov and his 3 Laws of Robotics. The 3 Laws of Robotics, as proposed by Asimov, are as follows. 1. A robot may not injure a human being or, through inaction, allow a human being to come to harm. 2. A robot must obey orders given it by human beings, except where such orders would conflict with the first law. And 3. A robot must protect its own existence as long as such protection does not conflict with the first or second laws. Although it's a fictional concept, it serves as a reminder of the importance of ensuring that robots are programmed to always act in the best interest of humanity. In conclusion, the history of robotics and its current applications are just the tip of the iceberg. With advances in technology, the future of robotics is looking brighter and more exciting every day. If you enjoyed this 5-minute lecture, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. This is Dr. Watson for the Wiki channel. As always, keep exploring and keep learning.